The electric vehicle charging system of FEC has successfully solved the shortcomings of conventional fast charging systems. Even if all chargers are in use, additional vehicles can park in any empty spaces and simply connect connectors to initiate charging, and the vehicle owners can leave the charging station. The charging order is automatically determined by the arrival sequence, and when the order to charge comes, the charging station and paths are automatically established. Once a vehicle finishes charging, its charging path is released, and the next vehicle in line forms a charging path and start a new charging process. The time required for a car owner to stay at the charging station is within 2 minutes. How has this magical system come to be born? Over the past 3 years, FEC has made continuous improvement, testing, and verification processes. As a result, they have completed a system with 10 chargers and 40 parking spaces at the Oksan public parking lot in Gyeongsan City. Now, shall we take a closer look at the FEC charging system? The FEC charging system combines 5 creative elements. Let's take an example of the FEC charging system with 3 100 kilowatts chargers. Please note that this example can be applied to 2, 4, or 5 chargers as well. First, connectors are installed at each parking space so that vehicles can charge at any parking space that are 4 times the number of chargers. By installing 18 charging path switches, which is 1.5 times the number of parking spaces, between wire network, each charging path switch allows electricity to enter or exit in 4 directions and forms 6 different electric path configurations through 12 internal relays, depending on the need. The charging path switch automatically connects to the fastest path, even when other vehicles are being charged. Now, let's see a vivid process of multiple vehicles entering and leaving charging station. 3 electric vehicles park in empty spaces, connect to connectors, and their owners can immediately leave station. As connectors are connected while the vehicles are in power-off state, it is very safe to operate. The system assigns a charging order automatically when 3 more vehicles park and connect the connectors. When 3 additional vehicles park and connect their connectors, the system automatically assigns the charging order. Once the charging of Vehicle 1, which was charging with Charger A, is completed, the charging path is automatically released. Charger A immediately starts charging a vehicle in slot 1 after forming a new charging path without waiting time. Simultaneously, the waiting queue is also advanced. Each charger automatically forms a new charging path to any parked vehicle and allow charging. Once the charging is complete, the charger can also be released. Since the system handles everything automatically, the vehicle owner can simply connect the connector and leave. 2 more vehicles enter, and their waiting numbers become 3 and 4. Vehicle 3, which was charging with Charger C, finishes charging before Vehicle 2. And now, charging begins by forming a charging path with the vehicle in slot 1. The parking location has no impact on the charging order, as the transition between charging occurs based on the queue number. Even vehicles that finished charging a long time ago, it doesn't interfere with the charging of other vehicles. Therefore, there is no obligation to leave immediately after completing the charging process. Charger B, which was charging Vehicle 2, automatically disconnects as Vehicle 2 finishes charging, and it starts charging Vehicle 6, which is the first in line. The waiting sequence for Vehicles 7 and 8 is then moved up. Since the chargers operate without any waiting time, the efficiency is more than twice that of conventional charging stations where vehicles need to wait for charging, vehicle entry, or authentication. The key to this magic lies in the software of the system, where all processes are automated. The FEC charging system is the most economical system with high efficiency and convenience, with additional installation costs only about 20% per charger. As each charger charges only 1-to-1 vehicle, connecting wires can be much thinner and shorter as those wires are repeatedly used to form various paths. Furthermore, the key aspect of our technologies are globally patented and exclusive for the power grid system enabling automatic charging. It is important to note that our system can work with any type of charger and connector, leveraging the advantages of existing charging infrastructure seamlessly without any friction. FEC Company Limited,